Hello, everyone. I made shrimp pasta today. I tried it, and it tasted pretty good. I bought tomato sauce. It's easy to make and delicious, so it's okay. Tomato sauce is included. The price is $6,851, but there is a discount of $1,371. The lid doesn't open well. I bought shrimp. Last time I bought it, it was a little salty, so I soaked it in more water. I counted how many shrimp there were, and there were over 20. I bought it for $13,901, but you can get it cheaper than what I bought if you buy it in bulk. It's frozen now. To remove the shrimp tail, rinse it once in water. I'm going to soak the shrimp in water and clean them. When soaked in water, the shrimp dissolve and the saltiness decreases. Not all shrimp are salty, but the shrimp I bought seemed a little salty. I guess I added more salt, but the shrimp here are fresh, so I buy them here. The shrimp are delicious just cooked, but I will add garlic, cooking wine, and pepper and fry them for a little while. If the shrimp are too salty, I can't eat much, so I soaked them in water for about 10 minutes to remove the saltiness. I like seafood more than meat. However, my son doesn't really like seafood and his tastes are completely different from mine. If I like jjigae, my son likes curry, and since we have different tastes, it's not easy to make food. After making pasta today, I asked how it tasted. I don't really like tomato pasta, but I enjoyed it while saying this. Because he is the one and only son I love, I smiled today as well. When my child was young, I made food based on a child-oriented diet, but now that he is a little older, I make it with what I want to eat. I'm going to put pasta noodles in boiling water. I still have the pasta noodles I bought last time. Everyone knows how to boil pasta noodles, right? After boiling the pasta, I put it in a separate bowl. I made cream spaghetti and tomato spaghetti with the pasta noodles I bought last time. I like rice and noodles. I tend to eat a balanced diet. I still have one left of the pamong I bought last time. Do you remember how I said I didn't like pamong, but I just bought it because the color was pretty? Some people like pamong and some eat it like a fruit. If you add pamong to your food today, pamong is okay because of the seasoning. You don't have to force yourself to eat foods you don't like. If you like it, add it. If you don't like it, leave it out. I'm going to cut an onion and add it all. I'm going to add minced garlic to the shrimp. If you don't have garlic, you don't have to add it. I added 2 spoons of mussel. It's okay if you don't add it, but it's better if you add a little cooking alcohol. I also sprinkled some pepper powder. If you don't have pepper powder, you don't have to add it. The meal I made today is good to eat because it is hearty. I will fry the shrimp first. I added onions. There are always onions at home. I was thinking of adding only half of the pamong, but I just added the whole thing. You need to eat a balanced diet. You can just add tomato sauce, but I added various things to make the food I already eat more delicious. If you don't have both, you can just add shrimp. If you don't have shrimp, you can just leave out the noodles and add spaghetti sauce. You can make it using ingredients you have at home. You can just fry it in this state and eat it as a side dish. If you eat it with your favorite sauce, it goes well as a side dish for rice. If you plan to eat it as a side dish, you can add oligosaccharides and sesame seeds to make it shiny and more flavorful. As for the seasoning for the stir-fried shrimp side dish, it is okay to add a little teriyaki sauce or a little chili sauce. You can add it to suit your taste. To let you know exactly how much spaghetti sauce I put in, I counted how many spoons I put in. I added 12 spoons of sauce. When I looked at the remaining sauce after adding it, I only added half of it. The sauce weight was 610 grams. The spaghetti I made today was seasoned just right. If you make it and eat it like this, I think the seasoning will be just right. I cook Korean food and serve it in English and Korean. I'm Korean. From now on, I will upload Korean food just as I make it at home. It's been 35 years since I made food. I plan to cook one different type of food every day. I've been learning to cook since I was 10 years old. Today is December 1st. There's only 1 month left. Time passes too quickly. Tomorrow is Monday, the start of the week. It's been a difficult year for everyone, but I think next year will be better, and I hope everyone stays strong. Thank you to all my friends, family, and younger siblings, and thank you to everyone who subscribed. Thank you so much for not forgetting to come and listen to my story. I hope you all have a fruitful and enjoyable time during the remaining month. Take care of your health and eat well. I will make delicious Korean food for you tomorrow too. Since you heard it in English, if you want to see the video in Korean, it is uploaded. I hope this helps you study Korean. See you again tomorrow then.